Hello and welcome to Talent League Season 5. In this video, we'll be describing how the next season will work, along with a few new additions and changes. Registration for the open invite for Season 5 opens on the 26th of April, so make sure to save the date and sign up before registrations close on the 9th of May. Our open invite series, or otherwise known as qualifiers, will run as a single elimination bracket, with the first qualifier running from the 15th to 16th of May, and the second running the weekend after, between the 22nd and 23rd of May. The top teams of these two brackets will move on to our placement stage, of which they will be placed into either one of our stages based on performance. Both qualifiers are a double elimination bracket, of which all games are a best out of one format. Moving into Season 5, we will be raising our entry fee. We will be raising both the minor and major stage entry fees by €5 each, which means that teams will have to pay €15 for their entry in the minor league and €20 for a team's entry into our major league. This is on top of the €5 entry fee for the qualifiers, of which will remain the same. With that being said, this also means all additional profits will go into raising our prize pool, of which will be raised by an additional €100, making our total prize pool €400. Alongside these changes, we will be adding in a new auto-ban system. This will be implemented at the beginning of Season 5 and will work by auto-banning the previous map played by the teams playing, so that a constant variety of maps is played throughout our season. Regarding the structure of the league, Season 5 will run in a similar fashion to that of last season. Once all the new spaces within our minor and major stages are filled this season, will begin on the 31st of May. With 10 teams in the major, this stage will run a total of 9 weeks and all games are played as a best out of 2. At the end of the 9 weeks of the major, the top 4 teams will then progress into the Champions Series. However, more about this later. For the 14 teams in the minor stage, this will run a total of 13 weeks, as both major and minor stages are a round-robin format. However, every game in this stage is a best out of 1. At the end of the minor stage, the top 2 teams will progress into the Champion Series alongside the top 4 from the major. The Champion Series will be a single elimination bracket, of which teams will fight for their share of the prize pool as well as the title of Talent League Season 5 champion. All games within the Champion Series will be a best out of 3, apart from the final, of which is a best out of 5 format. For Season 5, only the major stage games will be streamed live onto our Twitch account, with minor league games being streamed in the final 4 weeks of the season after the major stage has been complete. Halfway through Season 5, we will be implementing our second mid-season tournament. This will be running between the 12th and 18th of July, halfway between our season. An entry fee of €10 will be asked and there will be fought for a prize pool of €160.